Assalamu alaikum students. I am your physics teacher for class 8. Open your book page number 35. Today's topic is speed, velocity and acceleration. Speed. When a body moves from one point to another in any direction is called its speed, or distance covered per unit time is called speed. Distance covered per unit time is called speed. We can also write it as V average is equal to S upon T, where V is speed, S stands for distance, and T stands for time. For example, a car is moving to a distance of 2 km in 5 seconds is called its speed. Then we can give its unit as V is equals to S upon T, S denoted in meter and T denoted in second. So unit for our speed is meter per second. Its SI unit is meter per second. Velocity. When a body covers displacement in unit time in a particular direction, it is called its velocity. In speed, distance is covered in any direction. But in velocity, distance is covered in a particular direction. Hence, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. It is denoted by V or vector V. Here we are showing arrow. This shows it is vector quantity. Whereas here displacement is also shown by arrow, which shows that it is a vector quantity. But time is a scalar quantity, so we cannot denote it with arrow above it. For example, if a car is moving in a straight line 2 km toward north in 5 seconds, we say that it is velocity of the car. Its SI unit is meter per second. Uniform velocity. If a body is covering equal distance in equal interval of time in a specific direction, then the velocity of a body is called uniform velocity. Variable velocity. If a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time in a particular direction or in different direction, then its velocity is variable. Acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. For example, A is equals to delta V upon delta T, where delta V is rate of change of velocity and delta T is rate of change of time. And acceleration is given by rate of change of velocity per unit time. Consider a body whose initial velocity is Vi and final velocity is Vf. Then its change in velocity is given by delta V. Vf minus Vi is equal to delta V. For the rate of change of velocity, we also consider change in velocity in unit time in a particular direction. Change in velocity in unit time delta V upon delta T. Here arrow shows the vector quantity of velocity. It is a vector quantity. Acceleration is also a vector quantity and its SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Uniform acceleration. It is the velocity of a body changed equally in equal interval of time. Its acceleration is said to be uniform. Positive acceleration. If the velocity of a body increases continuously, then the acceleration is said to be positive or simply acceleration and its direction will be same as that of motion. Negative acceleration. If the velocity of a body decreases continuously, then the acceleration is said to be negative and is called deceleration or retardation, and its direction is opposite to the direction of motion. Now I am giving you homework. Open your physics register, draw margin, mention date. Question. Define the following terms: speed, uniform velocity, variable velocity, uniform acceleration, positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Speed. Uniform velocity. Variable velocity. Uniform acceleration. Positive acceleration. Negative acceleration. This is the end of today's lecture. Do your homework and submit it on coming Saturday. Thank you.